Alright, you can see what I'm up against here. This is our dish for our internet, and it gets ice and snow on it and doesn't work. And I used to pass a hose out through this window and come outside, and then I direct the hose, the hot water hose, or you can make whatever temperature you want at the dish, but it wasn't that pleasant. So what I came up with, I have a line that I run down from the roof, and it's on a bracket from a shelf. You can see here where it turns, I have a 90, and it runs down the wall to here, and I have a string tied to the end of it. So when I open that window, I just pull the end of it inside. And when this is what I do inside now, I have a quick disconnect here, plus a valve. And when I connect it up, I open the valve. And you can see it there. It's blowing, or it's spraying this hot water on the dish. Now I just wait for a minute or so or two and let it do its thing. Then I come back to my disconnect, shut the valve off, and this is the most important part. I pull the quick disconnect and let the hot water that's in that hose that goes up to the roof completely drain out. And when it does, it's ready for the next time. Now this is not perfect, but it has worked for me, and I've had good success with it, and I hope this maybe helps someone. Thanks a lot.